Hello everyone, myself Meet. Today I am representing the work which is done by my team, the CyberCreatures. So as a pre-hackathon assignment, we have to make a basic analytic module utilizing Langflow and DataStax to analyze the engagement from mock social media accounts. So let me show you the workflow we have created. So this is the basic workflow we have created. The first component is the chat, which takes input from the playground, and input is passed to the prompt as well as the agent we have created. Second component is the prompt, which is basically the instruction to the AI component. So like the prompt, we have provided it to analyze the user questions and determine which metric they have inquiry about and calculate average like counts and shares as well as the sentiment score. The third component is the agent itself. It is based on GPT-4. It uses XtraDB as a tool, which is actually database we are using. The prompt we have provided XtraDB is to perform operations on database like average likes on each post, average count of comments, as well as the sentiment score. The next component is Wikipedia. We have also added Wikipedia to answer all another questions out of this database. The last and the final component of this workflow is the chat output, which basically provides response back to the playground. Now let me show you the XtraDB database and the collection we have created. So this is the basically database of social media engagement data. This is the cluster and social media engagement is the database. Obviously it is a non-embedding type database because we have nothing else much to do, some vectorization or sort of things. So it's basically contain post types, likes, share, comments and every sentiment score of the comments. So we have preloaded it with JSON, we have randomly generated it. So we have preloaded with this data, it's a randomly generated data. And for the front-end UI, we have used Streamlit and also used the API code from the Langflow. So we have used that API from the Langflow and generated the token. Now let me show you the installation steps. So this is the GitHub report. I have uploaded my entry code here or running this code on your local system. You have to clone the repository, go to the repository, then you have to active the Python environment. And then on basis of operating system, you are using Windows Mac UI like you can activate the environment. Install on the dependencies and create an env file and put your app token which you have generated from here. So you have to put the tokens in the env folder and run the application stimulate runmain.py. Let me show you the UI. This is a good UI. Streamlit is pretty much good front-end library which helps to show the output in just seconds. So let me show you an example. Let me paste a question here. I have pasted. Can you compare the likes of post ID number 10 and 20 and analyze both? Let's wait for a few seconds. It generates and runs the entire flow and gives us the pretty much good output. I have hosted the Streamlit platform. It's pretty much easy to host it, so it's provide me quite a high response. It calculates the average of metric images and static images, average of likes, share, comments, and sentiment score, and for the post itself. Then it provides the stream like the static image receives sequentially more likes on average as compared to cursor, and static image has more comments than cursor. It provides the data on the basis of understanding an overall conclusion like static image post to perform in the terms of like comments and sentiment score. It is not claiming a fact like we have randomly generated data. Obviously it may be wrong, real may be better, but according to the data it is providing the response. You can ask many other questions like what can I do better for real post type, which time is better to upload a real type post, and so on. Okay, so that's pretty much like you can ask whatever question you have. I have provided the entire flow in form of JSON. For requirements we only need python.env, streamlit and request. Okay then, that's all for the problem statements. Thanks for watching this. Have a nice day.